Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see what's the energy, what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, because this is a general reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Okay, so just a reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description and comment section. Okay, Libra, what's the energy next 2 weeks for Libra? Inspiration. Alam niyo yung kanta? You're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. Parang yan yun. Yan agad yung pumasok sa isip ko. So maaring you will find meaning in your life. You will feel inspired in the next 2 weeks. Or someone is making you feel inspired. Someone is inspiring you. Or you are inspiring someone. O, diba? Uy, wow! Dahil na rin yan sa victory nyo. O, yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay merong isi-celebrate. Celebrate good times. Celebrate good times. Come on. You also have grace. Uy, grasya ito. Blessing, oh. There's a blessing coming in. And I feel like ito yon. Ito, blessing to sa'yo. Yung victorious na event na mararanasan mo. And I feel like people will celebrate that victory and you will be an inspiration to others. And dahil na rin dyan sa victory na yan, yung isi-celebrate nyo, you will be more inspired na ipagpatuloy kung ano man yung ginagawa mo na dahilan para maging successful ka. May awards, rewards, recognition in the next 2 weeks. And that's part of your blessing. People will celebrate you. Your overall energy is the 9 of Wands. So you will feel na parang nakakapagod, ang daming kailangan gawin, may mga sacrifices ka, pero worth it naman yung sacrifices mo. Okay? Worth it yan kasi you stand your ground, you are standing your ground, you stood your ground, na nanindigan ka sa mga gusto mong gawin. And now, you are finally receiving the results, the fruits of your labor. Now, your challenge, okay, ito na lang. The King of Pentacles and the Eight of Wands. So, as a challenge, pwedeng merong kang challenging communication with a person in authority pagdating sa trabaho, sa pera, oo, na maaring meron siyang control over you or someone na sabihin na natin may pakialam siya sa iyong mga decision sa buhay. Maari rin itong challenge mo na, decision mo na i-pursue kung ano yung gusto mo na dati isinasantabi mo lang, especially sa career, sa trabaho mo. And now, since nakikita mo yung sarili mo na everything is aligning, no? You are inspiring people, you are achieving a lot, no? So kung ano man tong mga dati mong mga pangarap na naisantabi mo ngayon, mas mabibigyan mo na siya ng attention. Now, your opportunity is the world. Oh my God. So, as an opportunity, this is achievement. Maaaring may oportunidad sa ibang bansa or to go international. This can be, di ba, may business ka, yung business mo mas magiging international, magkakaroon ka ng international clients. Some of you, pwedeng matutuloy yung plano nyo na makapag-abroad, whether this is for career, for trabaho, or pwedeng gusto nyo lang magbakasyon. Recognition talaga, worldwide, o diba? I-recognize ka worldwide. Hindi lang to local. And also, you have the opportunity na to finally end a cycle sa buhay mo na kailangan na talagang magtapos. Oo. Hindi naman yun kailangang laging parang Hindi porket may sinasabing ending, nakakalungkot na yon, 'di ba? Let's say, graduate ka sa college, ending yun, 'di ba? Nag-end yung chapter ng buhay mo na yon. But hindi siya nakakalungkot kasi achievement yon para sa'yo. So that's what I'm seeing as an opportunity for you. Now, your blessing, the Five of Pentacles. Okay, as a blessing, this is about recovery. So, kung nagkaroon ka man ng financial struggle in the past, ang blessing mo ngayon is makakaraos ka na. Mau-overcome mo na yung financial struggle na yan because finally, meron ka nang nahanap na solusyon or merong tao na tutulong sa'yo. And finally, you are being presented with more opportunities na kung saan mas magagamit mo yung talento mo, yung skill set mo. Now, for your money, career, finances, what's the energy para sa mga Libra? Next 2 weeks, money, career, finances. You have the Ten of Pentacles, o diba? You are counting a lot of money. Oo, maaring merong audit. May audit ka sa trabaho or may audit ka na income, pera mo. This is also a withdrawal of a large amount of money. Pwedeng meron kang i-acquire na property or magtatayo ka ng negosyo. So, you will be dealing with cash, kaperahan, in the next 2 weeks. And some of you naman, this can be a bonus that you will receive sa trabaho, sa career mo. Extra bonus, di ba, mid-year? Baka na-receive yun na yung mid-year bonus mo. Let's see your love life. You have the Four of Pentacles. So for your love life, this is about stability. Ang goal mo for your love life is to ground your relationship. When I say ground your relationship, it's pagiging practical, no, sa pakikipagrelasyon, na kung may mga bagay na kailangan kang ayusin, kausapin, gagawin mo kasi you want this relationship to work. You want this relationship na mag-last for a long time if you are in a relationship. But kung single ka naman, I think you will focus more on your financial stability na ipine-prepare mo yung sarili mo for someone, no, for your future romantic partner para pag nagkita kayo, you have something to bring to the table. Kumbaga, meron kang mai-offer doon sa person na yun. Now, let's see ano pa. For Libra. Oh my God, new moon. Beginnings, definitely. So there's a new beginning. Can be sa career path ninyo. Or this is like after the victory, 'di ba? Pag nanalo ka, merong bagong kabanata na magbubukas para sa iyo, panibagong laban na exciting para sa iyo. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.